This afternoon we're going to make a maple pecan sugar cookie with caramel drizzle. We're going to start with 2.5 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, and we're going to just mix those together, and then we're going to set it aside. In the mixer, we're going to add a cup of butter, softened. This is unsalted butter, and I cut it into small pieces so it would soften a little bit quicker. Then we're going to add a cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. Turn the mixer on low. Okay, that's looking pretty creamy, so now we're going to dump in an egg. A 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and a teaspoon of vanilla. That mix for just a minute. And then we're going to spoon in our flour. Knock it down off the sides to get the flour all in there. And I think we're just going to do it by hand at this point. Now we're going to fold in our cup of chopped and roasted pecans. And we're going to call that mixed. Then we'll line a cookie sheet with parchment paper and get out our trusty dusty cookie scoop. And they're just browning around the edges, so we're going to call them done. They are very soft in the middle still. If you press on them, you can see that. We'll leave it in the pan to cook, continue to cook for another few minutes. Now we're going to put pan number 2 in. This time we're going to set it. Now comes the not so fun part. I discovered that melting caramels works pretty well for the caramel, but getting them onto the cookie was not fun. This knife was finally the technique that worked, but not well. Caramel is very hot and full was burning my hand the whole time. We'll speed this up. This box of cookies is going to the nurses at the VA hospital. And here's the cookie without anything on it. Thanks for watching.